Fiesta ST is not a car to be underestimated. Little brother to the Focus ST, the Fiesta packs a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine under the hood paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This is an excellent start. The Fiesta ST has a large aftermarket behind it and has lots of tuning potential, especially with some of the fastest examples reaching 400 wheel horsepower and up. Where better to start modding your car than an aftermarket exhaust? So today we're going to be covering both 2.5 and 3-inch exhausts in this video. We only recommend, of course, a 3-inch exhaust if you plan to do a turbo upgrade to your car, and an upgrading exhaust system actually lets your car breathe easier and gives you a slight horsepower increase. Now in this video we have our top selling exhaust for the Fiesta ST, so of course stay tuned. First Catback exhaust on this list is going to be the Mountune high flow exhaust, coming in at a cost of $739. This is a 2.5-inch 304 stainless steel Catback. This is designed and developed in-house by Mountune's engineering team. Staggered twin tailpipe trims with laser-etched Mountune logo. When it comes to sound, the Mountune exhaust has a deeper, noisier, more bass-full sound and is manufactured from AISI 304 2.5-inch mandrel bent stainless steel tubing. It also has dual 3.25-inch AISI 304 stainless polished tips with a cool stylish tapered design as well. But let's jump in and check out how this one sounds. Next up on our list is the thermal R&D Catback exhaust system. This one is coming in at a price of $738. Material is made out of a 304 3-inch stainless steel piping. Now this one does have a much more drastically reduced drone, and thermal actually uses microphones to see what frequencies the drone occurs at, and then again utilizing a Helmholtz resonator built specifically to mitigate those frequencies. Now for the Fiesta, the Helmholtz is built into the actual muffler itself, so therefore the car actually sounds a bit like a sports bike at relatively higher RPMs. This does have a 3-inch system with dual polished 2.5-inch stainless tips, which give this a bit more of a finished, refined aftermarket look. Now you'll be happily surprised by the burbles and the seldom pops that this one gives off when you let off the throttle. Now even with a stock downpipe, the pops aren't frequent, so they're actually worth the wait and not overbearing. But enough of me talking about it, let's go ahead and jump in and see how this one sounds. Next up on the list, had to do it, put in our very own MAPerformance Catback exhaust into the lineup, coming in at $685, and of course ours is made out of a mandrel bent 2.5-inch 304 stainless steel. Of course we had to go ahead and Throw our very own in the mix, what else would you expect? And obviously, when it comes to our exhaust, the sound it creates is nothing to shy away from. You'll get an aggressive, throaty roar with the addition of just a few of those extra little ponies as well that you'd come to expect from adding a Catback exhaust to your car. Now, our Catback added 21 wheel horsepower with the factory ECU tune and 37 wheel horsepower with a Cobb Tuning access port installed. The twin 3-inch staggered slash cut rolled tips give it a really nice look, and our hand welded exhaust will absolutely look amazing underneath your car. And obviously, we only employ the real deal fabricators only, so good quality work. We use our very own private label stainless sleeve joints in the kit instead of doing a slip fit joint, and these are going to make the install super easy for you, so you're not going to be busting knuckles and giving out curse words under your car when you try to install this one. Again, enough talking about it. Let's jump in, check it out. Next up on the list is the MBRP XP stainless 3-inch Catback exhaust. This one is coming in at only $564.99 and is of course made of the mandrel bent 3-inch 409 stainless steel. This one's probably going to be the loudest on our lineup, and it's got some varying opinions about it online. It might be too loud for a lot of people, but for some people they say it's just right. You'll have to let us know which one you are in the comments. The straight exit, it's going to provide you that deep, aggressive, attractive exhaust note that you crave. The cold starts are going to be absolutely insanely loud until obviously your RPMs drop back down. Might be a problem if you have neighbors that get a little upset, or obviously if you live in an apartment complex or even park underground. It might be a little bit overbearing, but again, this one, super loud exhaust, sort of what we come to expect from MBRP. And of course, if you're interested in checking out how it sounds, we're gonna line that up for you right now, and you can let us know what you think about it down in the comment section below. All right, you guys, now the fifth and final Catback on our list is gonna be the Cobb Tuning Catback exhaust system, coming in at $745. This one is made out of a 2.5-inch 304 stainless steel. Of course, nothing but the best from Cobb. And these upgraded Fiesta ST exhausts offer a drone-free deep exhaust note that will have you pushing the pedal harder just to hear exactly how this exhaust sounds. And it's very quiet when you're just casually cruising around or driving conservatively. But again, it lets out an amazing sound as soon as you go ahead and start accelerating or you want to drive a bit more spiritedly. Of course, if you are a bit concerned about the cost, it is harder to find a better quality and household name than Cobb Tuning's products. So of course, again, with the price comes a more quality product, which again, they're very proud of. When it comes to this one, again, it has a 3.5-inch single wall slash cut tip option, which in my opinion looks absolutely phenomenal, especially out of the back of the Fiestas. Something about the slash cut tips, obviously a lot of people took note of, looking amazing on these cars. So anyways, again, without further delay, let's go ahead and pull this one up, show you guys how it sounds, and you can let us know what you think down in the comments. Well guys, that's gonna end it for our top 5 catbacks for the Fiesta ST platform. So you're gonna have to let us know which one you think was the best one down below. And of course, as always, if you're interested in any of these products for your car, go ahead and check out the links down below or give our sales guys a call at 1-888-MAPerformance. If you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on our channel for more updates, and hit that notification bell if you don't wanna miss a single upload of ours. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Wrong side.